In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split expenses in Expensify. Splitting expenses is really useful when a single charge needs to be shared between different people, projects, or categories. Maybe you paid for a team lunch or a hotel stay that needs to be divided between two departments. Instead of creating multiple separate expenses, Expensify lets you split one transaction into several parts. Let's walk through exactly how to do that. First, open Expensify and look for the navigation area where you normally move between different sections. Start by clicking on Reports. This section is where you'll usually see grouped expenses, such as expense reports you've created or submitted. Opening reports first helps you get oriented, especially if you manage your expenses inside formal reports. Next, switch over to the Expenses view. To do that, click on Expenses. This will show you a list of individual expenses, usually sorted by date with the most recent at the top. Take a moment to scroll if you need to and locate the specific expense that you want to split. This could be any transaction that you've already imported from a card or entered manually. Once the list is in front of you, select an expense. Click directly on that expense line to open its detailed view. Here, you'll see information such as the merchant, date, amount, and any category or tags that have already been applied. It's a good idea to double check that this is definitely the transaction you want to divide, especially if you have several similar charges. With the expense open, look for an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on More. This will expand additional actions you can take on this expense that aren't shown by default. From the expanded options, click on Split. This is where the actual splitting process begins. Expensify will open a split editor, showing you how the total amount is currently allocated. Here you'll see two main options. You can click on Add Split to manually add individual split lines and enter custom amounts, or you can use Make Splits even to have Expensify automatically divide the total into equal portions. Choose the option that matches how you need the cost divided. As you set the splits, you can